Ever heard the saying, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is? That skepticism can definitely creep in when it comes to free software, especially feature-rich options like Zoho. Zoho boasts a massive suite of applications: email, CRM, project management, word processing, spreadsheets, the list goes on. And here's the kicker: they offer free plans for many of these tools. For budget-conscious businesses or solopreneurs, that's a siren song. But is Zoho truly a free haven? Or is there a catch hiding beneath the surface? Let's dive deep and dissect the Zoho free tier, uncovering its strengths, limitations, and the sneaky upsell tactics you might encounter. First things first, Zoho absolutely offers free plans. Their CRM, for instance, allows you to manage your customer relationships with up to 3 users, perfect for a small team starting out. Zoho Mail throws in 5 gigabytes of storage per user for free, which is quite competitive in the email game. Now, here's where the plot thickens. Those free plans come with restrictions. Zoho CRM's free tier limits certain features, like automation and detailed reporting. Zoho Mail's free plan restricts customization options and throws in some Zoho branding in your emails. It's a trade-off. You get core functionality for free, but to unlock the full potential, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. And that's where Zoho excels at nudging you towards their paid options. Here's a tactic to be aware of. The free plans seamlessly integrate with Zoho's paid applications. While working within the free tier, you'll get a taste of features locked away in the paid versions. It's like taking a test drive in a car with the parking brake on. You know there's more power waiting to be unleashed, but it's just out of reach. So, is Zoho a free software utopia? Not quite, but it's not a total bait and switch either. Zoho's free plans offer genuine value, especially for small-scale operations. The key is understanding the limitations and being prepared for the upsell attempts. Here's how to make the most of Zoho's free tier. Identify your needs. Do you just need basic email functionality for a handful of users? Zoho Mail's free plan might be perfect. But if you need advanced automation in your CRM, you'll likely need to pay. Explore the limitations. Before diving in, understand what features are missing from the free plan. Zoho's website usually outlines these clearly. Don't be afraid to experiment. The free plans give you a chance to test the Zoho interface and see if it fits your workflow. If you find yourself constantly frustrated by limitations, it might be time to consider paid alternatives. Ultimately, Zoho is a powerful suite with a lot to offer. Their free plans are a valuable entry point, but with limitations. By approaching them with the right expectations, you can leverage the free tier to its full potential and make an informed decision about upgrading when the time comes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.